Bonjour à tous, good morning everyone. PHC Trader, 9h27, le marché ouvre dans 3 minutes. Market is opening in 3 minutes. Let me put my beginning of the day line. Visibility, we're going to make it, let's say 6. All right. Let's see if I move this a little bit. I was just doing a couple trades in simulation mode. Testing, making sure that my replay counter works fine. Donc j'ai fait quelques trades ce matin juste pour m'assurer que mon replay counter fonctionne bien. ATR 9.56. This is the prior close. We're on our way. We're pretty down now. If we look overnight. Let me put the 15 minutes. Okay, this is 6 o'clock yesterday. We went up a little bit, we went down, chop, chop, chop. Then we hit the big down at 8:15 this morning. These lines, this is a pivot, and whoops, something's not working here. Yeah, okay, these are my pivots. This is the prior close. Prior close, the red one, the rouge, c'est prior low, prior high, prior open. These are all the dashed. This one is same thing, la même chose, mais c'est last week. So prior week, open, close, high and low. All right. So let's put this to 1 minute again. We're going to touch the pivot, or we're going down. This is the opening right now. So the opening, we don't do anything, we just watch. À l'ouverture, on fait rien, on ne fait que regarder. Today we've got big news at 10 o'clock for the interest rates. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Is it going to stay the way it is for a few months or a few weeks? We'll find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 candles started at 6. This is good. Big candle went down from 900 to 67. So 33 points, 33 points. 5 minutes. You can see we got the 15 minutes. The hourly. All right. We move this away. Back up. This says I'm going to do apex. Apex 542. Apex 2 4. So we're doing some copy trading this morning. On va faire du trading. On va copier main account le 2, and the 4 and the 5 we're going to copy to it. Okay. But this is main account is the 2, so the 2 is the main account. This is, I'm doing 2 contract, 11 ticks, 55 day, okay. Let's make this bigger. This is a 50, la 50C. 200, VWAP all the way there. We open right here. 100 rocket sign, 5 candles, so I'm drawing 5 candles right now. I don't enter in the trade until 35, 9:35, usually. Je n'entre pas dans un trade avant 9h35. Oh, excuse me. I got a 20 on the 5 minutes, 21 on the 5 minutes. See this? Let's make this bigger for you guys. Okay, went almost touching it. The blue line here is c'est l'ouverture du marché. This is the opening of the market. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start at 1 and it's 5. All right.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Good morning, Nathan Ramirez, Jag Raj, Best Guest Trading, Jack Wiley. Good morning, Niles, Fred Yeager. R5 Studios.
Good, see if we close below. This is a pivot, very dangerous. So I don't want to do a trade here. Je veux pas faire de trade ici. Le pivot ici, c'est dangereux. Pretty big red line. Three big candles, I mean. Trois grosses chandelles rouges. This is my pivot. Seems like it's been pushed. The long wick, it's pushing up. All right, news today. Notes today, what do we have? Wednesday, 10:30 petroleum status report, FOMC announcement at 2 p.m., Fed chair press conference at 2:30. That's it. The 9th. This yellow line here tells me I'm in a downtrend. 10.12 is my ATR. It's kind of low. Indécision pour l'instant. This is this one right here, those dots. It's a support. 5 minutes. We got 1 minute and 30 seconds. See if it's going to close below the support. Pivot right here. On dirait qu'on veut remonter. Looks like we want to go back up. Waiting for 5 candles to do my box. All right. Aujourd'hui, le 7 mai, 9h39, May 7th, sorry. 9:39 a.m. Eastern Time. My box network at 5. The goal here is to make 3 trades of $100 and walk away. L'objectif ici, c'est de faire 3 trades de $100. Et c'est tout pour la journée. Donc, éventuellement, quand j'aurai 3, 4, 5 comptes, si je fais 3 trades avec un total de $300, 5 comptes, c'est $1500. Ça, c'est avec 2 contrats. Alors, ce que je ferai éventuellement, c'est que je vais augmenter mes contrats. 3 contrats, 4 contrats. Et la méthodologie, je veux qu'elle soit la même pour l'instant. I want my methodology to be the same for the moment. This is the 50 here. Trying to go above, it did not. It did go above here. Strong candle. Strong candle. C17. Very strong, very big. Maybe an exhaustion candle. Chose not to go in because of the 50. I think it's going to come back down, retest it. If I did go in 15, I would have got it. I hesitated. J'ai hésité. $9.41. The blue one here. Ça c'est the blue one on the 5 minutes. 21 times 5 because from the 5 minutes to the 1. So 21 times 5, 105. This is the 105. Look, it stopped right there, which is right here. The 21 is a strong one. If we look here, si on regarde ici, see it went up to the 21 here, went up to the 21. So getting into this trade was a little risky, but I could have got it. How many points do I have? I've got 15 to 24, 9 points. So it's tight. So j'ai seulement 9 points d'ici à ma ligne bleue. La ligne bleue ici, ça c'est le 105 qui équivaut à la 21 sur la 5 minutes. Le tableau de la 5 minutes en haut à droite ici. Donc, I only have, by the time it closed, quand ça l'a fermé, j'avais 9 points. So it was tough to go get that. I decided not to enter, but I could have. This is a big candle, une grande chandelle verte. Good long wick. Good rejection here. Looks like a doji here. I should go to the gym before starting my morning. I think that's what I'll do. Alright, let's see what I got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 candles. Let's see what I got here. That was here. That can be a support. 938. 928. 938. Okay. This is 5. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I'll leave it there for now. Je vais le laisser là. Push back 105, which is the 21 right here. See if it's gonna close. It's pushing up to the 200. Look at my 15 minutes. Regardez à 15 minutes ici. Elle est montée au-dessus de la 9, mais elle n'a pas fermé. Look at the hour. The hour still going down with a push back up since the pivot. Ça en allait vers le bas jusqu'à ce qu'on a eu, on a atteint le pivot ici. Je regarde la 60 minutes en bas à droite. Et on a touché le pivot puis on est remonté. On redescend, we're going back down now. So let's look. Did I miss anything this morning? Opened. No, I did not. Here I could have got the trade right here. If I entered right here, I would have been okay here. But the distance between the 105 and in my candle is, let's see, what's the distance? Let me grab this. The distance à distance c'est 927 to, let's say I enter right there. 915, 12 points. Yeah, I could have got it. Oh no, wait a minute. The distance is from here, d'ici, sur la bleue, 105. So the distance between there and there, my entry and target I want to reach. I want 10 points. I got 9 points, so I was right. I didn't get in. So technically, did I miss something to my standards, to my approach, to my strategy? No. I need at least 10 points between here and here, and I had 9 points. Same here. What's the distance between this guy here and this guy here? La distance entre les deux, ici j'ai 35, 44, 9 points, 9 points again. Should I attempt to do it? It's below 10 points. Answer is no. Right? I mean, you gotta stick with your thing. If you don't, you just break your neck. Donc j'ai 9 points. D'ici 34, mais il faudrait que ça se ferme. It would need to close really above. So let's say to close 2 points. 35, let's say close at 37. 37 to the 200. 200 is a nasty one, right? Yeah, 37, that's 7 points. Nope. So even if it closed here, see how, oof, goodness, do you see how it went down? That was quick. All right, let's see. 20, look at ATR. 20, that's the volatility, la volatilité d'avant, which is perfect for the type of trading that I'm doing right now, trying to reach my 2.75 points en essayant d'atteindre mon 2.75 points. 2 contrats, $110. 2, 4, 5, 5 candles, look at this, it's going down, guys, whoa. 2, 4, 5 points, that's very strong. This is again, look in the past what happened. All the way here. Look here. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. We cross the pivot, which is a good sign that we may go down. But we have a long wick showing it's pushing back up. When I say it's a good sign we're going to go down, means that if a candle could really go down, that's what I mean. It already went all the way down there, that's what I meant. C'est ce que je voulais dire, c'est que le wick ici est descendu jusqu'ici, donc il y a une bonne chance qu'il redescende encore une fois. We got a downtrend. See, started here on top, going down. Yellow crossed the 50, about to cross the 21. La 9, elle passe à travers la 50, elle s'apprête à passer à travers la 21. Long wick pushing down. What time is it? 9:50. I forgot to put my lines. These lines. The first 15 minutes, it was right here. Highest wick right here. Highest candle, lowest wick, lowest candle. It's about here. Okay, that's my 15-minute range, which is basically resistance and a support. The first 15 minutes. So when you see a candle leaving or going above, we're looking to go up. If it goes below, we're looking to go down. Still have to take a close look at all the 200, you know, and all the other exponential moving average. So far, no trade. Almost 10 o'clock. $22 is the ATR, which is good. Bitcoin 96,088. choppy, right? Look, 15-minute range, which is 19,935. I'm going to put it here on a 5-minute chart. So let's multiply the 5 minutes. 19,935, 19,935, and 19,864, 19,864. All right. View up on top, 250, 21, 9, pivot. And this is prior close. $97,000 the Bitcoin. 96,000 Bitcoin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 candles. From here, 10 to 19, 9 points. See, we haven't been above the 105. See? Remember that, guys, when you do a trade. This is the 105. We haven't been above it, so there's a good chance it closes there. Une bonne chance que ça ferme. So when I enter here, it's gonna pass it. Did it pass it? Yeah, it did. It did pass it. So, will I take a trade right here?
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted.
No. 15, 105 and 100. That's bizarre, huh? See, look here. I lost 100 in this account, 105 in this account, 15 in there. This is a copy trading. That's why sometimes it doesn't work the way I want to. J'ai perdu $15 ici, 105 ici, et $100 ici. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one account at a time. I'm not going to copy trade. I'm going to do one account at a time. And I'm going to build them back up. Okay. So you see guys, right? Look, I entered here. It's almost the same, it's crazy. I entered, oh, I double click. I closed one there and I closed two over there, I guess. I should go flat all. That's why you cannot use the close. I use the close. I'm supposed to use flat. Oh, that's my mistake. So that was a good trade. I could have made my money. But I passed the 105, so there was resistance. It was difficult to go above. I closed because I thought I wasn't going to go above. But I used this close button here instead of using flatten all. Flatten alls everything, which means close everything at the same level. Using the close, I only close the first one. That's why the first one is 15. Should be 15, 15, 15. But the two other ones were closed below. That's why I lost $100 in each. I got 5 candles here. Normal, it should come down and then go back up. Right now because I messed up. If I don't mess up, I keep going. If I messed up, I'm going to bring them back where they should be. Nothing of that. Then I'll use it again if I need to. Je vais pas utiliser le replay tant de cours. Pourquoi? Parce que j'ai pas bien fait ici. Donc, je vais les ramener où ça doit être, un à la fois, un compte à la fois, et ensuite, probablement, je vais aller avec le replay. Choppy, we can go up here. What do we have here? 19, 5. 2, 4, 5. ATR. Almost 10 o'clock, guys. I don't think there's any news. I don't see 10:30 news. I don't see a news. Je vois pas de nouvelles à 10 heures. On est mercredi le 7 mai. Non. See, this candle really wants to go above. First time. No, we had one before. This is pretty good. One back up. Usually what we see is if this one closes, usually we go back down and then we go up. And I like to get in right there. Set 15. Whoa, it's a push, really pushing. Selling, selling, selling. 5, see? Not yet, guys, not yet. Alright. La chandelle doit se fermer au-dessus de la ligne jaune ici. We want a candle to close above the yellow line. Yeah. This one here, the very thin, tiny, that's a 250. Oh. So 250 is the 50 on this one, on the 5 on top. See the yellow, the white one? That's the 50. That's the 50 right here. See it close above, but it's having a hard time to go back up. It's going to touch down like I drew before. Comme j'ai dessiné, ça devrait redescendre un peu puis revenir en haut. Ma méthodologie, il y a beaucoup de lignes, il y a beaucoup de exponential moving average. Donc, je fais pas autant de trades que les autres types avec leur stratégie. Mais j'essaie de... Je pense que la mienne, je me trouve à perdre moins souvent. Et mes trades sont plus certaines. Donc, so what I'm saying here, guys, is... I'm saying that even with all my EMAs and all my lines that I got here, I may do less trade, but I think I've got better chance to have a good trade. Because I've got, like here, I got blue sky here. I should be okay. If we can pass that. See, we need this candle here. 4 minutes to close above. Or if this one goes above here, that could be a quick trade. So now is it? So I really wanted to close here. So if I go like this, 5 seconds.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Okay, you see guys, I went and I got it. See, now I'm at $5. I'm above. I'm 2,700. I may try to do another one here, bring it up. Vous voyez ici la trade que j'ai fait de ce point-ci à ce point-là. J'ai été chercher $110. So I'm at 5 plus 5. I was negative. So I'm going to try to bring 723 a little higher, close to 25,000. Je vais essayer de monter à 25,000. So I would need another 3 trades. Okay, why did I get in here? I got in here parce qu'on s'est fermé au-dessus de la boîte bleue ici. Let me move this, we don't need to see this. Um, 5 minutes. I got 2 minutes left. J'ai 2 minutes qui me restent sur la 5 minutes pour que la chandelle se ferme. J'espère qu'elle va se fermer au-dessus de la 50. I just hope it's going to close above the 50 here. There's 2 minutes and 25 seconds left on the 5-minute chart. This one, and this one, they're just simulator. Sim account, which means right before the day today I was excuse me, practicing a little bit, making sure my Ripple Tanko was working fine. It was, but I just messed up here. It's my mistake. So going back down, testing the opening range. Good chance we go back up again. This one, look at the 5 minutes. We got 1 minute 35 seconds. Again, if it closes above, good chance we can catch this. We still have the VWAP right here. It's going to give us a headache. Going down to the 21 EMA. On a descendu jusqu'à la 21. Exponential moving average. Long wick telling me that there's a lot of sellers here. Sellers, the buyers, there's a little fight here. Une petite bataille entre les vendeurs et les acheteurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. Highest wick, lowest wick. So I need a candle really that close above. Then I could maybe go and get 2.75 points. That would be another $100. That would bring me to 24,800. I want to bring this up to 25. All right, come on, let's go up. A little bit de consolidation, un peu de consolidation ici. Consolidation qui veut dire qu'on s'en va vers l'horizontal. We're going to the horizontal. Guys, look here. What do we have? It didn't close right. Did it close above? I don't. Yeah, it did close above, barely. Barely. Okay, looks like we're going back up here. So we should hopefully get a little bit up. 9, 21, 50, 9, 21, 50. Going up. We're above the opening range. Now we're going back down, touching, flirting with the 200. All right, let's see the 1 hour. See, we touch the blue. We may just go back down now. I think that's what we're going to be doing. And maybe I can catch one here. ATR 17. But from here, see, we got stopped here. This is my 105, which is the blue one, the 21 times 5, 105 right here. Hopefully we're gonna keep going up. Right now we're at the highest we've been in the past month for the Bitcoin, 97,256. Let's see. That's a big candle. Chop. This is a trend line saying that we're going up. Seconds, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Nope, not yet. I want this candle to close above the blue box, right? It did not. I didn't go in. If it did, I would have went in and maybe get 2.75 points. That's the idea. That's all. Above or below. Donc l'idée c'est que ma chandelle se ferme au-dessus ou en dessous et que j'aille chercher mon 2.75 points. That's it. That's what the strategy is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure that it starts with a 6, end with a 0, start with a 1, end with a 5, start with a 6, 0, 1, 5. You gotta have that. Il faut que ça soit en place. 1, 0, 1, 5, 6, 0, 1, 5, 6, 0. So we're still above 200, above the 21. Look, we got 4 minutes. Look at this one again. 5 minutes chart. Doji. We don't know if we're going to go up or down. See this here? These two candles. What is it? It's a big question mark. Like that green that you see right now, you want it to close. You want it to close above this. Above. I can, whoop, let me get the 15 minutes. 952. 953, 952, okay. This one, 961, is that what it is? 961, 961. It's a resistance, which is this one here. Look on the 5 minutes. Those blue dots here. 961, I put it here, 961, just to tell me that I may have some trouble here to go through. Donc la ligne que je trace ici, 961, je la mets ici aussi, 961, pour me donner une idée où je vais avoir un peu de résistance. So from here to there, that's 13 points. Is that it? 55. Oh no. 62. It's only 7 points. C'est seulement 7 points. 15.8 ATR. Not bad, not great. Choppy, choppy. Look, we haven't done much at all. 5 minutes. Still don't want to go. We're still not going above the 50. On monte pas en haut de 50 sur le 5. In that huge red candle. What time is it? 10:25. 10:22. 10:22. Account. I'd like to put, maybe I'll do my 5. I want to bring it up. Green. I want to see green here and I want to see green there. Green is the magic color. Very strong candle. Red. That's this. Sank.
Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted.
I just lost a tiny bit. Not great. See, c'était pas une bonne trade. It wasn't a good trade here. I entered there and then I hesitated. I closed there. I'm at negative 120. No big deal. You can see it's too close. There's a lot of volatility. I'm gonna do it again. Je vais le faire encore. I need to pass V up. How much did I lose here? $15 maybe? Or $5 I lost maybe. All the way down again. What did I do wrong here? Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait de mauvais? I entered here. And from here, 63 to 68. Look at that, 5 points. Come on, why did I do that? That was a bad call. You know, should have entered around here. Bad call. It's okay, I'm learning about my mistakes. I'm not going to do that again for sure. So many things I can do again. J'ai tellement de choses que je peux pas faire de mauvais encore. So I'm not doing everything right. That's for sure. I'm not the greatest. I'm far from being the greatest. But I'm gonna make it. It's gonna happen. Donc je suis loin de faire des bonnes trades, mais éventuellement je vais les faire. Je me rapproche, je ne perds pas tant que ça. Avant je perdais 800, 900. Là je vais peut-être perdre 100 ou $15 ou $5 ici. Ce que vous apprenez avec moi, à mon avis, c'est très valable parce que vous voyez la façon que je travaille. You can see the way I'm working here, so I think it's very, very valuable for you guys too, especially if you don't have as much experience as I do. If you're better than I am, well, you don't really need to watch me, or maybe you should, so make yourself even better. Okay, nothing to do until we get here, all right? Faut aller au-dessus de VWAP. Au-dessus de ma... Ça, c'est ma 1000? Ouais. This is my 1000 right here. I gotta go above. Look at the yellow, going up, up, 50 is up, right? We move this like this, all right? So I'm waiting for 5 candles. This one, look, we got what, 58 seconds. If it closes above here, there's a good chance we're going to keep going up. All right. We got what, 41, 40 seconds, 40 seconds. Look here, 40 seconds. All right, regardez las 15 minutes. We got 25 seconds. Hopefully it's going to close above. Let's see this one. That's a 200 here. Tough one. And usually it bounces back, right? It did close here above. Ça ferme au-dessus. It did close above, but there's a strong possibility we go back down. There's a flag here. then we should go back up. So if this one close above here, this one close above this one here close above, like around here, I'm going in. May come and test the 8, I mean the 9 here. Needs to close above, a couple points above. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. Stop right there. See, guys? Right there. Exactly. Test again. Test the VWAP. Needs to close up here and then boom, up. Maybe we're just gonna go back down. Not sure yet. Long wick. See the people, let's say someone entered here, they're gonna put their stop probably around here. Previous candle, lowest wick. So that candle here comes in, take the money, and then go back up. Alors pour ceux qui ont fait qui sont rentrés ici par exemple, peut-être qu'ils ont mis leur stop loss ici. Et cette chandelle-ci, vous avez vu, est allé chercher l'argent du stop loss. That's what it is. Come and get your money and then go back in the other direction. What do we have here? It's going back down. So 200, we went up a little bit. Now maybe we're going back down. We'll find out soon. Still in an uptrend. All the way down to the 20. See, we went to the 20 here, we went to the 20 here, a little bit low, went all the way down to the 50. See, we touched the 20, now we're back up. Right? So the 20 went all the way up, back to the 20, back to the 20, but you see, you know what I mean? What time is it? 10:34, 10h34. One, two, three, four, 5 candles. Maybe it's a reversal. See where the trend up, I shouldn't be taking any trade going down. If I'm going up, the trend is your friend. Le trend me dit que je m'en vais vers le haut, donc je devrais pas prendre une trade vers le bas, même si celle-ci se ferme en dessous de la boîte ici. La ligne jaune ici me dit que je m'en vais vers le haut, je suis dans une trend. Donc, Il faut essayer de pas aller à l'encontre de la trend. So I'm not gonna take a trade down. Right in the middle of VWAP. $10.37. Did a couple of trades. One I'm at positive $5 for the day. The other one at negative 15. The other one I'm negative 120. 3 trades aujourd'hui. Il y en a une que je suis positif $5, l'autre négatif 15, l'autre négatif 120. Right at the 200. Been going sideways. Stuck at VWAP. We close on the 5 minutes above, then we close below. Now we're right on it. 1 minute 53 seconds left on the 5-minute chart. Looks like we're going down. You know, the 200 on the 5 minutes really tells us if we're going to keep going up or down. What do I see? This is down how many seconds? 1 minute. Still 1 minute. Could go back up. I hope it does. Nope. Passes the 20, right? Now, when the yellow crosses the blue, then I can take a trade. Not before. Alright. This one stop right here. Look. Top, 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 top. It's resistance here. The support, I mean. It's right on the support. See those blue dots, les points bleus ici? J'ai tracé la ligne pointillée orange. Regardez le wick qui s'arrête en plein là. Okay. 10:40. One, two, three, four, five. Look at this, the height 976, then we got the lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Would I get into a trade if it closed here? No. Why? I'm waiting for the yellow to cross the blue. Plus, I've got this 200, I think, and this is the 50. Almost touched it. J'ai pas assez de place. I don't have enough space to go get what I need. Alright. Look, it's touching the 50, almost touched the 50, right? Look in the past. It went down and touched the 50. Went down and touched the 50. It's still in a trend up, right? Started here, the cross. Quand il y a le croisement de la 9 et de la 21. Then you've got the lower high, lower high, lower high. Look, it touched the 20 here, the 50, touched the 50. Now it touched, not almost, but it was really getting there. So when am I saying this? I'm just saying that it may just continue going up. J'ai l'impression que ça va continuer à aller vers le haut. Strong candle. This is nice wick. We've got some buyers now. Buyers the green, sellers the red, the bull and the bears. So the Nasdaq doesn't know where to go now. Le Nasdaq sait pas où aller pour l'instant. I wish I didn't mess up earlier. Jesus. See, I messed up here. I lost maybe not much here, but I did lose. From 63 to 62, not even, maybe 50 bucks there. And over there, that was a bad one. Very long candle. I didn't give it a chance. Une grande chandelle, je suis rentré ici. Je suis sorti ici. And it was touching the 105, which is normal. Bad. Won't do that again. Try not to. Okay, the bulls pushing. See when it went down. Maybe not the best day to trade because of Powell talking later on. I'd like to bring these guys back up to the positive at least. And that's like 5 candles. maybe across here. Look on the 5 minutes. 5 minutes, right? Look at the ATR 11.97. I don't like to trade with that kind of garbage. ATR no good. 10 of stops. Big candle. It's gonna go back up now. I didn't take it because I'm disgusted, I guess. Let's see. If I took it, I would have lost, right? Si j'avais pris, j'aurais perdu. This 105 is no good in the 200 here. Difficult to trade, guys. I've experienced a lot easier days than this. And the ATR is at 12. That's fantastic. Which means the volatility is not as high, which takes more space to get what I need. More points. The points are spread out more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a very strong 5 minutes, so we should go all the way to 899. Where is 899? Anyway. We could go back up, retest, and then go back down. One, two, three, four, 5. Wow. 899, which is really 900 here. See, let me show you. Oh, it's actually right here. Then the next one is the pivot.
Order submitted.
Fucking thing. Excuse my language.
Target filled.
Okay, $10. See, I didn't like that. I really don't like that trading today. Garbage. Apologize for cursing here. Pardonnez-moi d'avoir dit des mots de sacrilège. J'ai été chercher mon $100. Ok, je suis rendu à moins 10, moins 15. Oh, ça va mieux un peu. Mais you saw how it was. It wasn't good. Wasn't that good. And you know why? Because of this. 13.95, that's the reason. 13.95, that's the reason why I was struggling to go and get my 2.75 points, which is not big at all. Again, that's the other reason why I like to do it when it's 20 or above. So what I'm thinking is, if I need to follow my strategy to the T. I need to have the right ATR. I need to have the right entry. So I'm not doing that bad today because I'm losing 25 bucks. And but it's a lot easier to make the money when we got this good ATR and the pricing is moving better. This is today. So what did we do? We started here from the low of the opening range, and we went all the way up to VWAP, right? And then the market maker said, okay, let's go get our money now. They went all the way down to get this money here, from here to here. They got all the money from here to there, coming to get their money back. The cat, I got 4 candles. I don't think it's gonna go lower than this one, the yellow. It may be just bounce back up. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, it's going down. This is, we remember that part close. We could keep going down. I won't take a trade now, this is too strong. Je prendrai pas de trade. Non, c'est trop fort. The prior close. Guys, if you just look at my videos one after the other, eventually you can do it by yourself, no worries. And you'll get your $300 every morning. Sometimes in half an hour, sometimes in 45 minutes. Today it's not a great day because of Powell speaking. We don't know where the interest rate is going to go, right? Today, May 7th, 10:55 a.m. Pas une bonne journée aujourd'hui du fait que Powell va faire son discours, parler des taxes, de l'intérêt. Alright, if this one closes below, to me there's a big chance, or let's say it closes here. There's a big chance that it goes like this, back up. Probably until here, and then it goes down. See, it didn't close much lower, so that's dangerous. Petite chandelle, small candle. Well, let's see. If I was in 38, I would need 41. I would need to go down there. 38.75, 31, 70, 31.75. 17. Whoop, yeah, set the ATRs at 17 or Let me check something here. What did I say earlier? 10:30 there was news. Was a candle at 10:30? Nothing. Long wick. I'm waiting 2 more candles, right? I got 2 minutes on the 5 to see if this candle is going to close below the prior close. Sur les 5 minutes, tableau de 5 minutes, je veux voir si la chandelle rouge va se fermer en bas de le close de la journée d'hier. 1 minute 44 seconds. No, let's see again. 96,953, that's the BTC Bitcoin. Presque 97 000 le Bitcoin. Ok. On dirait qu'on a touché le bas. Looks like we touched the bottom. Usually after a big move, we got some consolidation. Après un gros move comme ça, on a de la consolidation, which means on s'en va vers l'horizontale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are we gonna keep going down? Est-ce qu'on va continuer à aller vers le bas? Ceci c'est fermé vers le bas, mais it's like a doji, right? L'indécision. Let's see if it goes down below this. Ceci, elle y va. Mm-hmm. Oh, 8. So it's almost 20 points. Let's see.
Order submitted. Target failed.
Okay, I went and got $100 here. Okay, so I'm green, this one here now. Which account is that? O2. I'm gonna go here. O2. Guys, I was down in the 3, I went up, so I didn't make my 300. But if I didn't mess up, I would be getting out of here now. Hein? J'ai fait mon 300 aujourd'hui, mais ce qui arrive, c'est que j'étais dans trop de 300. Il a fallu que je remonte mon 300. Alors, vous voyez le potentiel. Si je n'avais pas foiré le premier coup et perdu 300, $100 dans chacun des comptes, je serais correct. J'aurais fini ma journée. All I'm saying here, guys, is my first trade, I messed up, right? 3 accounts, each below $100 each below, and I just bumped them back up. Bump this one 100, bump this one 100, and now this one. The last trade I did was, look, I want to show it to you. See, I entered here at 820, 820, je suis rentré et je suis sorti 817, so my 2.75, 2.75, so my 3 points from here to here. I entered right here and I got out right here. Right? So the candle went down here, but then it went all the way back up. I would have put my stop loss right here, but from here, 20 to here, that's 10 points, that's 200 times 2, it's $400 loss. That's why it's risky, it's always risky, c'est toujours risqué. Ce que j'ai dit ici, c'est que je suis rentré ici, je suis sorti ici avec mes 3 points, mais tout de suite après je suis sorti, la chandelle est remontée vers le haut. Elle est remontée vers le haut, j'aurais mis mon stop loss ici, mais mon stop loss de 830 à 820, c'est 10 points. 10 fois 2 parce que c'est $20 le point, c'est $200. J'ai 2 contrats. $200 fois 2, c'est $400 j'aurais pu perdre. Follow me? Vous me suivez? Alright, let me draw the box now. Maybe you're asking me, why do you get into a trade 5 seconds before it closes? Because all the historic data that I've done, the practices that I've done, seems 5 seconds to be a good number. That's it. So I don't have any specific reason for it. Tout ce que je dis, c'est que pourquoi 5 secondes avant que la chandelle se ferme que je fais mon entrée? Simplement du fait que, avec l'expérience de tout l'historique de data, en essayant de le mieux que je peux, j'ai réalisé à un moment donné que 5 secondes avant que la chandelle se ferme, c'est un bon moment. Donc, je n'ai pas vraiment une raison spécifique à vous dire. See this one, it's $15 in the hole. I'd like to bring it back in the green. O2. And 04. This is 02. 11h06. From here, 6, 91, 90 to 6, it's 15 points. 16 points, it's not much. Not much, but enough. What I'm saying is, this candle closed below. Let's say close there. That's 91 to 99. That's 8 points. We need to close below here. So, si la chandelle arrive around here, I would be tempted to get in. But look, 3-2, forget it. Vous voyez, do you see, guys, the way the line, the yellow line is coming down here, and now it's flattening up. So it doesn't have the momentum it had before. La ligne jaune qui descend n'a pas le même momentum parce qu'elle redevient plus plate ici. More flat, and you have a long wick here. And my guess is it's gonna go like à l'horizontale pendant un bout de temps. That's my guess. It's gonna go on the horizontal for a while. See what we have back down here. I'm not interested in that. Je suis pas intéressé. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like a greenish blue, and that's a blue. All right. Long wick, long wick, long wick. We may be going back up again. We got this purple here. This guy here, which is prior close. You know, sometimes I turn my head on the right and you're probably wondering what I'm doing. I'm looking at another screen and I've got other people that I'm watching how they're doing today, and this guy's got he's got like 20 some accounts, maybe 30 accounts, and in 5 accounts he made $89, and in 5 other accounts he lost $62. That's what he did so far this morning. So I don't feel too bad because that's 300. I made 300. So it's a difficult day to trade today again. I know I've said it before. It's mainly because of Powell. The long wick here can really kill you. Ce que je disais, c'est qu'à ma droite, j'ai un autre écran, puis je peux voir les gens. Je suis d'autres personnes qui font du trading comme moi. Et je me suis je m'aperçois, je vois bien qu'ils font pas tellement mieux que moi. Sinon, parfois pire. Donc, je vois bien que c'est la journée qui est un peu difficile aujourd'hui. You know, look at that. It just went down. 36. I want to take a trade here because of this one here. This is prior week close, prior week open, close, high, low, open. Yep. This is all last week. It doesn't matter if they're close or open. All it tells you is that they're very tough. Ces lignes-ci, ce sont les lignes de la semaine dernière, l'ouverture, la fermeture. Pas vraiment besoin de savoir si c'est l'ouverture ou la fermeture. D'après ce que je sais, c'est juste une ligne qui est forte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. But look at the direction the yellow is taking, the blue. They're really going down. I've got a pivot. Look on my 5 minutes, a pivot here. And this wick went right through it too. The pivot, it's right here, the green here. Let me get rid of this. You see this on the 5 minutes. Look at the 5 minutes. See this here, 19,740. That's this one here, 19,741. So we're like 41 points. 41 points. From here, C88. 40, c'est ça. 40 quelques points. We went above the 9. We never touched the 20 so far. We've been going down since 10:47. So 960 to 790. So 70 points. down. 5 minutes down. $7.37 is the next level. Yeah. We went up close to the 20 here. On est allé assez près de 21 ici. Five candles. $20 right here. Tough to do a trade here. All right. 1 minute left. After that, I think I'm gonna be done. Come back this afternoon. I'll go to the gym. Non, pas grand chose qui se passe. ATR, t'as combien? 18, il est pas mal. The ATR is not that bad. Tradable, definitely. Close to 20, it's pretty good. Let's see what happened here. Even if it close above, how many points I got? 9 to... Whew, that's 10 points. Right? This is a support, resistance right here. Another one right there. Yeah, of course I could take je peux prendre, I could take a trade when I see I'm going down and grab my 2.75 points, but trust me, it's so easy to lose. See, tempting to take it, but look, even if I take it, I'm telling you, I really doubt I'm gonna go through this here. If so, you know, again, I need the 9 to cross the blue like it did before. Remember when it crossed here? I could have also stayed in a trade. Let's say I bought this and I waited and got out here. I would have made what? Let's say I bought right here, 41 and 41 I bought here and I got out here. 07 at 60 points times 2 is 120 times 2. It's $2,400. You see, huh? So it went up and touched the prior close and bounced right back down. My strategy is what I do today. Of course, it's going to change. It's going to get better. It's going to be more profitable. Comme je dis, ma stratégie, c'est ce qu'elle est maintenant, mais je veux vraiment la maîtriser le mieux possible pour éventuellement la modifier un peu et ajuster des contrats. Et au lieu d'aller me chercher $300 par compte par jour, peut-être j'irai chercher $1,000 par compte par jour en augmentant le nombre de contrats, en restant avec cette même méthodologie. Everyone is different. Everyone has their own preferences when it comes to trading. On a tous nos préférences. Il faut que vous sachiez ou que vous puissiez essayer de trouver ce qui vous rend le plus confortable, le moins stressant possible. Dans mon cas, moi, c'est de minimiser les risques. In my case, it's to minimize the risk. If I minimize the risk, I'm not stressed, so I'm not anxious. And I say that, but I'm always a little anxious. It's very difficult to get rid of it. But more you do it, better you get at it. See, there's a mistake here. See my 0? That's why I check this all the time. That's another mistake. I've been making mistakes here. 6, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is, I didn't draw my stuff the right way. That can cost me money. 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm one candle off, which is very dangerous for this particular strategy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one goes actually there. So, did I miss anything? This one, no, because the wick went and touched this. And here, it went all the way up here, so I didn't take it. If I had a candle right now, it came and closed, let's say right here. I've got enough points, I think. I would have from 804 to, let's say, 805 to 92, 7 points. No, it's 10 more than that. 5, it's 7 plus 5, yeah, 12 points. J'aurais 12 points entre ici et là. So if this one closes, if this one closes around here, not yet, but maybe this one. This is a downtrend. Oh. All right, well, we're going down now. 34, 33. Seventeen, 12, 11, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I didn't do it. I think it's still gonna go down. I'm not comfortable. Je ne suis pas confortable. I didn't do it. If I did 04, yeah, I would have got it. Let's say I went here, then I wouldn't have got it. So then I would have, you know. Look, guys. Oh shit. Pardon. Look. See this? The dotted red. Look, if I put it right here, it when it touches it. Not ideal. I didn't lose anything. I didn't win anything. That's why I always look back. Il faut regarder à l'arrière. Les trois petits points rouges ici, ça me dit que c'était une résistance. So it when I touched it. So if I did enter here, 425, I would have got it. But I would have been very nervous. Look, it went all the way up here. So from here, 04 to this, 13, 17 points, $370, $370. They're not fantastic trades right now, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Alright guys, that's it. That's it. I'll do a recap later on. Thank you for joining, definitely. I appreciate that. And maybe I'll come back this afternoon. Maybe a good idea.